Fan 101 here with another video, review for you guys. And today I will be reviewing Transformers Robots in Disguise 2015 Warrior Class Blizzard Strike Optimus Prime. Very nice figure indeed. I sort of think it's a little bit better than his original counterpart. But I think the Power Surge version in this size is pretty good. So for size comparison, here he is with Titan's Return Scourge. So you can get to that later, sort of the same size. And I am getting the Ultra Class Power Surge Prime from Christmas. So when I get that, I'll probably review it. But, you know, let's talk about him now. Pulsar ability, arm can move in and out, feet forward and back. You got waist articulation, like normally. Mine's just a little bit stiff because I got him a few months before he actually came out. Head rotates, so yeah, I'm going to put him into vehicle mode really quick here, and I'll see you guys in vehicle mode. And he's a pretty good vehicle. I really do like his vehicle form here. You got nice, clear, gassy tires there. You got some nice blue paint here with some white. Now, the Legion Class version was called Ultra Magnus, so... But, you know, I'm not going to use him as Ultra Magnus, because actually in the show, he actually scanned a vehicle like this and looks like it. But, you know, it would be cool to get a desert camo, because I would really love that. You have to have a blue right there, you get the Optimus symbol. And sadly, I don't have any size comparison, but, you know, you can roll. And if you want me to do transformations for anything, I'm probably going to do transformation for, like, Titan's Return figures. But, you know, like, for R&D, they're pretty simple, so might not do it for them. But, you know, if you guys want to see more video reviews, something like that, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, like more videos like this one. Optimus Gaming out.